As I've told you, right over there is the Lady Buddha statue. We can see, and from there we are going to get a 360 view of the entire Da Nang city. To the channel. Right now I am in Da Nang, Vietnam, and in this video I am going to be covering one of the most iconic structures here at Da Nang, which is the Lady Buddha statue, which you can see right over there. The statue is one of the biggest structures here in this particular country, and from there we are going to get a very beautiful viewpoint of the entire Da Nang city. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the video, and if you like the content, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. As I have told you, right over there is the Lady Buddha statue. We can see, and from there we are going to get a 360 view of the entire Da Nang city. And I'm shooting this video from the hotel where we are staying at. It's an absolutely beautiful place to stay. It's just 100 meters away from the beach, as you can see. And Da Nang is already the place where I've fallen in love with. Absolutely beautiful. Let me just show you the room also. This is our room. We have 2 double bedrooms along with a beautiful bathroom with bathtub. AC is there, TV is also there, and the room is quite spacious, and it is costing us, after a huge bargain of from actually rupees 1700 Indian rupees, it came down to 1250 Indian rupees, which I feel was pretty decent amount to be paid. So basically I had talked with 2 of the Grab and taxi drivers here. They were putting up different rates on this particular tour to the Lady Buddha statue, but later on I finalized with the driver who actually took me from the Da Nang airport to this beautiful hotel. He is going to charge us 3 lakh Vietnamese dong, which is almost around $1,000, and he will pick up us from the hotel, take us to the beautiful Lady Buddha statue right over there, and after that he will drop us to the hotel. So come on, let's go and explore the beautiful Lady Buddha statue here at Da Nang, Vietnam. So before reaching the top to visit the Lady Buddha statue, here is a beautiful place. This place is actually known as the Manthai village. This is where the local people actually come here early morning to do fishing, and as you can see, the boats are still there, along with the small round shaped boats which we are actually going to take during our coconut boat trip. This place is just like an old school village where you can still see people actually doing some fishing right over there, and a small harbor kind of a thing is there where they have kept the jetty also, and it's almost like 10 to 15 minutes from the Da Nang city center or the Mai Khai beach. So we have reached the spot of the Lady Buddha statue here, and the road was absolutely beautiful. It was almost like the experience we had at Phuket for the big Buddha statue tour. If you haven't watched the video, you can always check it out. It's in the Thailand series. So right now we are going to explore the pagodas and also the Lady Buddha statue here at Da Nang. Come on.
Wherever he goes, he knows. No, you know.
The statue is located in the Tra Peninsula here at Da Nang, and this Tra Peninsula is actually one of the most popular places to visit when you are coming to Da Nang, just because of its amazing views and the beauty of nature what they have preserved in this particular place. So there are two beautiful pagodas here in this particular area near the Lady Buddha statue. The first one is the one which we are going to visit right now, and the second one will be the one which we will be visiting after showing you the Lady Buddha statue. So let's go. Not only is the place quiet and calm, but it's also very neat and clean. So when you are coming in this place, do keep this place clean, because not only it's a tourist destination, but it is a place for worshipping of the local people. So right behind me is the Lady Buddha statue here in Da Nang, and this is a 67-meter high Lady Buddha statue, and this one is actually facing the entire village here in Da Nang, and as it says that she is the one who is protecting the entire city from storm and also from negative energies. The view of the city is absolutely beautiful from the Tra Peninsula, and trust me, this is one of the most beautiful places actually you can visit on your trip to Da Nang. It will take you hardly an hour or two to cover this beautiful place, and also the Manthai village which I've just shown you in the earlier part of the video. So today is 14th of January 2024, and right now this is the first day here in Da Nang for us. The temperature here is 24 degrees centigrade and it's quite hot. We have been to Hanoi before, as you have already seen it in the video, and the temperature over there was 16 to 17 degrees temperature, and was raining for the last 3 days on a continuous basis. So there is a big change in temperature from 16 to 24 within the northern part and the central part of the country. So make sure that you bring clothes which are adequate to manage both. So right over here is the second pagoda, which is just around 2 minutes walk from the first one, and also the Lady Buddha statue. As you can see, it's absolutely beautiful. The structure and also the cleanliness of the place. The beach is right over there. We are going to go in and show you the place. Come on. So this was it from today's video and also from Tra Peninsula. I hope you all loved the video. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any queries, do let me know in the comment section below. There is also a peak which is actually about 10 kilometers from here, which is the highest point here in the Tra Peninsula. From where you get a very good view of the entire city. You can go to that place also, and there is also a statue of Confucius playing chess in the top of that hill. So if you want, you can visit that place also, but we are not going to do that because we have some beautiful plans in the evening for you all, which I will be revealing in the next video. So keep following and keep supporting the channel. See you all again in the next one.